Alright, now you can earn up to 540 per day just by opening emails. This can be your once in a life opportunity to start working with this. I will show you how you can do that today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $540 per day just by opening emails. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right, and you can start making money just by opening emails and reading what is inside them. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this website. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to come to this website called Thelytic. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. You can come to this website through Google as well. On Google you need to search for Thelytic. Exactly like this. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. You need to click on this one here. It will open you this website, of course. As you can see here, it says earn money by reading emails. So this is a website that will pay you just to read emails and all of that for no cost or anything. When you scroll down a little bit you can see this. Here it says earn money by reading email. Wherever you are with Thelytic you can earn money by reading emails wherever you are from your PC, tablet or mobile phone. So this is a 100% free and worldwide available method. You can earn from this on your smartphone or on your PC. The choice is yours. Now when you scroll down again you will see this paragraph. Here they say we pay you for every email you read in instantly. So you don't need to wait or have a withdrawal delay with this website. They will cash out your earnings immediately as long as you request a minimum payout of only 20 cents. Also, this website offers a very nice referral program, so you can also take that. They have 6 referral commission levels. On the first level you earn 50%, and on the highest one you earn literally 100% commission, which you can't find anywhere else on the internet. Also, they will pay you $1 for every referral who earns $1. Then you can see members and their earnings here. You can see here that this website has over 10,000 members registered, which is not a lot, and this website is not well known amongst the majority of people. That is very good for us because we can use this website before everyone else does. You can see that there are over 500 members online right now. Also, here you can see that they paid out over $500,000 to just over 10,000 people, which is incredible. So there are no earning limits on this website. Now, before I show you how you can use this website and start making money, immediately make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings, so Make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. If you like, comment and subscribe the video of this channel and send this video to 50 people along with it, then you can be the lucky winner of this video, which will get $10 from my side. Thanks for watching full video.